Hi everyone, Car Updater. Today we're talking about a car that's all about power, luxury, and style at the BMW 330i 2025. This car is not just a machine, it's an experience. Whether you're a car lover or just someone looking for a new ride, the 330i has something to impress everyone. Let's start with the design. The BMW 330i 2025 looks sharp, aggressive, and premium. The front grille is bold but not oversized, giving it that perfect BMW identity. The LED headlights are sleek and adaptive, which means they adjust themselves according to your driving conditions. The lines on the body are smooth and sporty, making the car look fast even when it's standing still. Step inside, and you'll find a luxury cabin that blends modern technology with comfort. The seats are covered in premium leather and offer great support whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising on the highway. The dashboard is clean and high-tech, with a big curved display that combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one sleek unit. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even has voice control, so you can control most things without touching a button. Under the hood, the BMW 330i comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. It produces around 255 horsepower and can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 5.6 seconds. That's pretty fast for a luxury sedan. The 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, giving you the perfect mix of power and comfort. Whether you're driving in the city or hitting the highway, this car knows how to perform. One of the best things about the 330i is how it drives. It feels solid, balanced, and sporty. The handling is tight, the steering is responsive, and the suspension absorbs bumps like a pro. It also comes with different driving modes like Comfort, Sport, and Eco, so you can choose how you want the car to behave. In terms of safety, the BMW 330i 2025 comes packed with features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, parking sensors, and even a 360-degree camera for easy parking. BMW has made sure that you feel safe and confident every time you drive. And let's not forget the fuel efficiency. For a powerful car, it's surprisingly efficient. You can expect decent mileage whether you drive in the city or on long road trips. Overall, the BMW 330i 2025 is a beautiful combination of luxury, performance, and smart features. It's perfect for someone who wants a sporty drive but doesn't want to compromise on comfort and style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car updates. See you in the next video. A Car Updater, signing off.